Welcome back to DYD Auto, where luxury meets innovation. This is the Volvo Motorhome 2027, a revolution on wheels. Bold, aerodynamic, and sculpted with Scandinavian precision, it blends futuristic styling with unmistakable Volvo elegance. The panoramic cockpit, continuous LED lines, and floating black windows create a modern luxury presence unlike anything on the road. Step inside, and you're greeted by a peaceful Scandinavian living space with soft ambient lighting and a panoramic sunroof. The fully equipped kitchen lets you cook your favorite meals while exploring the world. The smart bedroom features an adjustable queen-size bed with breathtaking outside views, and even the compact bathroom feels refined with a rainfall shower. Underneath, the dual-power electric and hybrid system delivers silent travel and long-distance capability. Safety is elevated with 360-degree cameras, AI